Backups and DR service on GCP Quick Bites. We are soon going to enter a period when zero tolerance and zero unplanned downtime will become the standard. Given how quickly the world is being transformed by digital technology, given out of the lantern tolerance capabilities and humans, this makes outage scan costly and organizations not just money wise but also credibility wise and the letters heartbeat. Google Cloud Platforms, a new backup and disaster recovery service, set its foot in at the Batman Robbins survey out due of business continuity. If you are the wondering what makes me down, the analogs hold their all thought backups are fast warriors of the Batman's Robin pairs. It is solution disaster recovery. The other defender is more of the strategy. Backups and act of the coughing they are shipping files to a remote server that can be utilized of cover data later. Disaster recovery DR on the other hand compassed of the full plan of action for the responding to catastrophe even continuous on accessing those data backups by effective policies of course if we don't back up our data and our files there would not be much on recover. GCP backups and DR service is where the two superheroes terms up to save organization from a variety of challenges such as natural, catastrophic and the most recent cyber attack by combining their strategy and contrasting their weekends together. They assist organization achievement their goal for business continuity by lowering the risks of data loss and improving operationals. Before we move ahead, if you are still holding their thought, you can now let it go. We'll now discuss the superpowers of our superhero duo, along with their proofs and how they carry with their heroic deeds. Let's start with the silent feature of Google Cloud Backups and DR service. Software as a service with the centralized Google Cloud Platform controls plan has a consumption based pricing model for storage and uses component monthly support application and crash consistent backup for multiple workloads. Store backups data in an original application in a readable format. Data encryption in transient and at rest employs a specific difficult incremental forever storage technology. Centralized management of backups for Google Cloud and hybrid approach. Cross region backups and cross project recovery. Cross region backups and cross project recoveries. Multi-region disaster recovery supports instant mount for the Google Cloud storage. Protective for broad spectrum of computing. Imagine VMs and VMs or VMs and file storage database including IBM D, D2 Microsoft SQL Service, mm, MongoDB, MySQL, Oracle, SPA, AC, AAC, SP, HANA, SAP IQ, SAP MaxBDN, Poster SQL, and the covers the superpowers we will talk about. Up next, here are the key components of the Google Cloud backups and DR service architecture and the glance. The best part is the items listed about their pops and the giving dynamic deal with foundation that is difficult to last but not latest here is now the Google Cloud Backups DR service. Operate their plans in actions. Identify which application needs backup VMS, SAP, HANA, Oracle. Apply backup plans. The data handling policies is the application wants manage them. Backup terms the defines the frequency and retention of data backups. Resource profile the specific the physical location in the storage snapshots pulls remote applications for the data backups. Once management application has the backups image created can be restored to production anytime in the data can that be easily accessed now that we are familiar with the Google Cloud Platform backups. There is the due time for the actual problem, which is widespread at the unityficals of downloading operationals may be substantially discussed by the process of moving for a company's primary location to a backups facility and their switching backups after the incident, which also has a effective on the budget. Giving to the minimal recovery time subject ROT and recovery point object PRO. Google Cloud Platforms backups DR service providers on stop solutions for discouraging the downtime graft. It can help an enterprise reach a successful point in the transformation injury in the terms of digital maturity. Most significantly, Google Cloud Backups DR service providers enterprise which is flexibility and peace of the mind they need together, which lighting fast application recovery whenever they need it. In case you ever consider ignoring backups and disaster recovery, you ought to give there another thought. Happy exploring. Written by Sana Chaudhary, 38 followers. Written by Google Cloud and Community Cloud and Migration Consultants Google's. Database migration servers on Google Cloud, the Python Kubernetes 1.2 some exciting fashion.